Would you like to know more about yourself? Would you like to know more about how your emotional world works so you can create healthier relationships with yourself, with others, and with life itself? In my workshops, there is a clear objective: to meet yourself, to know yourself, self-love, so you can create authentic and nurturing relationships with yourself, with others, and with life itself. Welcome to our workshops on mindfulness in intimacy. These explorations have given me so much that I love to share it with you. Looking forward to explore and discover together this sense of peace, openness, unity, and love that we are all so much longing for from the comfort of your home. Hope to meet you soon so we can explore together.